Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Improved Kienyeji Chicken Farm Tour. Come explore my family's chicken farm with me. One week old chicks in a brooder. 1 month later. Two months later. Three months later. The three roosters in the farm. It's my favorite rooster in the farm. It's so beautiful. Feeding the chicken. This is a frizzled chicken. The frizzle is a breed of chicken with characteristic curled or frizzled plumage. Our chicken cages. Cage number 1. Cage number 2. Cage number 3. Cage number 4. The chicks brooder. Cage number 1, water drinker. Improvised chicken drinker. Water bottle used as a chicken drinker. Cage number 2, water drinker. Cage number 3, water drinker. DIY chicken drinker. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.